Want to visualize what a typical client journey looks like in Nookal? From booking appointments to sending intake forms, arriving clients and invoicing, this two-part video will walk you through the steps so that you know what to expect. It all starts with a call from a new client wanting to book an appointment. You ask when and where they'd like to be seen, and lucky for them, you've got availability. So let's get them booked in. We start by selecting that time in the diary and searching for their client profile. Since they're new, no profiles will match, so we'll create the client a new profile. To do that, we'll just need a few key details: their first and last name, contact number, and email address. Next, we'll select the service they're booking in for, in this case, an initial consult, allocate a case title, and choose the payer type. The client in this case will be paying privately. If a third-party payer is covering the cost of the session, we can easily add the contact in here now. Be sure to check out our video on third-party invoicing to learn more. We can also record who referred the client, a handy feature for marketing and tracking purposes. Now that the appointment is booked, we can verbally confirm the appointment details with our client over the phone. And if we've got appointment confirmations set up in the back end of Nookal, those details will be automatically sent to them via SMS or email. Now, while we have the basic client details for the booking, to save time on the day, I'm going to send the client an intake form to complete electronically. Once the client has submitted the form, their responses will auto-populate into the client file. You'll receive a notification once their form is completed, and depending on your intake form settings, you may need to approve these details before they're added into the file. Now, if automated reminders are also set up in Nookal, the client will receive a reminder either the day before or a few days prior, depending on your campaign settings, and you'll see this indicated by an orange triangle in the top corner of the booking, or when hovering over the booking in the diary. If SMS replies are enabled, any response from clients will appear in your notification center as well. You can then open the booking and mark the client as confirmed. You'll notice that this will turn the orange triangle green to indicate that the client has confirmed their attendance. To see the process on the day of the appointment, please watch our part 2 video, which shows you how to arrive the client for their appointment, how to invoice and rebook the client.